All right, Christian, for your IEP math goal, you're working on percent word problems. So I'm going to read many of them to you. Christine took a math quiz last week. There were 50 problems on the quiz, and Christine answered 30% of them correctly. Underlining the question. Come on and go away, go away. How many problems did Christine get correct? Okay, this is important information. 50 problems and answered 30% of them correctly. How many problems did she get correct? Remember that percent needs to go over 100. And then 50 problems is the total. You may want to cross multiply and divide. Because you have so many questions to do on your math goal check, I'm going to go ahead and work Christine's math quiz with you, okay? What's our percent? 30. So 30 over 100. And then our total over here is 50. So we're going to set that equal to 30 over 100. We need to know how many problems did Christine get correct, okay? So instead of a question mark, I'm going to put a variable. We're solving for the variable. We're trying to figure out what x is. So it's not unknown anymore, okay? So let's cross multiply 50 times 30. 50 times 30, and that equals 1,500. And now we're going to divide. Let's see, 15,000. We're going to divide by 100 because that's what's left. Okay, so it's already in the calculator, which is cool. 1,500 divided. There's our divisor bar, divided by 100. And that gives us 15. So 15 is our answer. That goes here, okay? So we're going to write x is equal to 15. We solved for the value of x. Okay? Cross multiply, divide. All right. Julian's town voted on a new speed limit. 80% of the 40 votes were in favor of the new speed limit. How many votes were in favor? So 80% of the 40 votes. Of means to multiply most of the time. So I read that one to you. Okay. Okay, you're just going to need to work that one on your own. You can do it. Remember, percent over 100, set that equal to the total. It looks like, yep, we're solving for x there. Cross multiply, divide. For a company picnic, Bryce ordered a box of fresh baked gingerbread cookies and sugar cookies. The box included a total of 100 cookies, and 90% of them were gingerbread. How many gingerbread cookies did Bryce get? All right, so you're just going to set it up that way. Percent, remember percent over 100, and then 100 cookies. Remember the total goes here. Whoops, TOTAL. All right, keep going. The art club had an election to select a president. 20% of the 90 members of the club voted in the election. How many members voted? And you know what? You may not need this read to you. I'm going to underline the question and box off the percentages and totals. Question, total, percentage. At Leicester Swimwear, 20% of the 50 swimsuit styles are bikinis. How many bikini styles are there? 20%. That goes over 100, 50 swimsuit. Pause this if you need to and come back to it. There's more questions. Keith bought chocolate and vanilla cupcakes at school for his birthday. 100 students total decided to take a cupcake. 58% of them picked vanilla. 100 students total. Remember percent over 100. Set that equal to the total. Solving for x, cross multiply, and divide. An arborist examined trees. Here I am. An arborist examined trees in an orchard to see if they were infected with a virus. Out of 25, 8% had the virus. How many trees were infected by the virus? Okay, so here you want to write your answer using the percent sign. Don't forget to add the percent sign. You're solving for the percent here. More and more and more and more and more. If you have any questions about this, stop and raise your hand. I know there's a lot. I'm going to come by and check your work. And if you're getting them correct, I will stop you. You won't need to do the whole thing. All right? Don't get stressed over this. Peace out.